How to add a trusted connection in Roblox. This is a new feature that will allow you to add someone as a trusted friend and then unlocks other features such as chat and voice chat and other features. Now, the first thing you'll need to do is open up the Roblox app on your computer or your phone. And then you want to go to the settings by clicking on more on the left side panel. And then you want to click on settings, then expand the account info, and make sure that your age is verified. You can do it quickly using the face scan or the ID using face scan. So you'll just need to select your birthday and then use your camera to take a picture of your face to submit it for verification. You might need to be on a laptop or a mobile device or something that has a camera to do this verification quickly. Now, once your age is verified, you want to go back to the home page of Roblox. And at the top bar here under connections, you want to press the connect button and then click on add from QR code. Or if you're on a mobile device, you want to click on my QR. And this is what we're going to use to add a trusted connection. So you or your friends can just take a screenshot of this QR code right here. You can use the snipping tool or the snip and sketch tool on Windows and then just press new and take a picture, or you can copy your profile link. And to scan the QR code on your mobile device, I'm going to show you how to do it. So on your mobile device, you will need to open up Roblox and then you want to press connect on the home page and then click on add from QR code. Now on the top right side, you should see this box for QR scanner. Just click on it and this should open up the camera to scan your QR code. And once you scan the QR code, it should show up your profile here and you can add your friend. And if your friend for some reason can't scan the QR code, you can simply click on copy the profile link here and send them the link and they can open it up in a browser, sign into Roblox and accept your invitation and add you as a trusted friend. And once that person has added you or you added them as a trusted connection, you can simply press the chat here and start using the chat features and the voice chat feature. If you find this helpful, leave a like and a comment and see you on the next one.